Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to see our history of delete calls on Android. So this is an easy process to do because you need to download an application for see that register. So the first step is go to Playstore, and here in Playstore you need to search that application called Haya app. You pick in Haya app and you need to pick here. This is the Haya app, the currently Haya app, the original one. This is the Haya spam blocker and caller ID. I installed previously the application, and you need to pick here and open, and after that you need to pick here and I have read and agree to Haya terms. You pick in get start, and after that you need to pick here and enable or skip for now. You pick in allow all, and after that you need to pick here and allow, and after that current default, say your default call ID and spam. You need to pick here in Haya, you pick in OK, continue, and you need to put your phone number with the code of your country of citizen, and after that instantaneously when you pick continue, you got the history of all the delete calls in your phone. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.